prices coming in, and that area becomes a magnet and then traps price in that area. And that's a perfect textbook example of how an MC point of control holds price at bay. It's like a celestial gravity or something like that. And so we sat sideways below yesterday's low. So we ended up again with a lower high, lower low on the day session coming into yesterday, and you can see that it's a multi-distribution profile. And what we see, which is important here, is complete rejection. Look at the volume above the 56. 56 continues in play here. 56 continues in play, and we're going to be paying very, very close attention to that price as we see swift rejection of those prices up above, and then a triple distribution, a relatively thin triple distribution yesterday at the lower end of the range below 56. The market is seeking and has successfully accepted lower prices as of yesterday. Here's what's happened since. This is today, the overnight session. The overnight session, as you notice, is very balanced. Very balanced. This is our first clue. We have pretty good balance into the overnight session. We are balancing below the point of control from yesterday, which is up here. So we have a low volume node, which is a neckline right there at the 46. The overnight high is at 48.50 at the 46, and we have basically dragged the point of control down in the overnight session and are accepting the lower distribution of the profile, and it's stabilizing. So we've put in a low of 44.3150. We retested. We went to 30.75, and we're back to where we are. And the additional thing that we didn't have coming into the prior sessions, if you look way back up here, see at the top of the screen here, that's where we ended up. That's the last half-hour bar before the open, and you'll notice that even though it's in the point of control, the overnight point of control, it's well ahead of the full session VWAP, full session mid. Same here, the last half-hour bar well ahead of the full session mid, full session VWAP, and then again here well ahead of the full session mid, full session VWAP. And that's why coming into those sessions, I was warning that there's likely to be some action as it is stretched, and there's some price discovery going on that's likely to carry into the day session as we open. And that was true yesterday. Same idea. We're opening at the upper end of the range, and we are well ahead of the full session VWAP, full session mid. Well, guess what? Today is the first day where that comes to an end. We have full session mid, full session VWAP right on top of the overnight point of control in a